updating your billing information on Streamlit Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Visit the Streamlit Cloud website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Select billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new billing details, such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your new details are recorded in the system. Make sure to review your billing information periodically to keep your account in good standing.